Gandang araw guys. Ito na yung malaking bayabas guava. Cut ko na yan isa-isa.
Oh yes, lucky.
Sobrang laki. At may masarap yung sili sauce namin. Suso ko siya sa sili sauce. Kain tayo guys ng bayabas. Ito siya. Sili sauce na maanghang. Maanghang ito ay masarap. Parang bagoong lang.
Well, you're talking fine.
Baba.
I hate you so much.
And I hate you so much for cooking.
Grabe kalami.
I can't take it anymore because you have too much. I can't take it anymore because you have too much.
What is this? Unbothered this?
See, they always. Oh no, you missed this one.
How did I defeat him?
Secret.
Baba. Harap.
Maybe I guess I'm the winner. I guess I'm the winner. And Alice, I defeated you. And Alice, I defeated you.